magega yogo siekerwa aserumande wetania emetienye tano nomo abono nigensemo ekumwigerera Fred Nunda yekurawa nomo na chebina Cliff Ombeta yaikira na sekigambiro gya Kisii asekerenga yokogania Nunda kubwatukwa asogwakana cash bill
gaukwana nigo Ombeta boigo anyareko baga komochie kigambiro kyomochio bosonga sigari atebire yokyanyareko bagikoira chinga kichintambe komobwatoka omoteja hobo kubwatekana no gwakana cash bill heyo asabatebire nigo bono barachiko bakoira egetambukire kende kwene kiabuna unyareko bakobwatokwa
Ombeta niga baga kuboria ekigambiro goitabirana nuko saba kwa basatebire buna obocheni bwo mubere bwaye Nunda nigo botari obu yakigima nyora muna Nunda niga begetobyara asama mocho yogo kagerwa kubwatrana asegekore kyobwiti.
Fred Nunda is in custody for a case that he has been charged with, a case of murder. He has been in custody for a very long time now. He had been denied bail on 2 occasions. But today we came to court to make an application so that he can be granted bond once again. All the other cases that had been indicated before that he had absconded or had not settled have all been settled. There is no other case existing right now in court. Such that the only case that is present is this one. He had been denied bail basically on the basis that he had other cases and he had absconded. Now that those cases do not exist, we are coming back to this court to request whether they can grant him bond. We are trying to say that the circumstances have changed. We are trying to say that his health is also not good. We are also trying to say that he has a constitutional right to bail. More so because we believe that the state, in this particular instance, is acting in bad faith. Why am I saying that? Ever since he had been in custody, ever since the first time he had been denied bail, the court has always insisted that we be given statements of witnesses. We have not been given statements, and the hearing starts next week on 6th. So what are they doing? Basically denying us a constitutional right to prepare in time. They are going to try and ambush us. That's why we are insisting that we get those statements by today. Some of us are too experienced to be denied with this kind of sharp practice or this kind of attitude and ambush. Some of us are too experienced for that. And even if you gave me a statement a minute before the hearing, I will still stand and do this. So let them not think that that is what is going to help them. But in the meantime, as we wait for the court, since we cannot interfere and argue that application here, we want the police officers in the state to act in good faith now that the person is in custody. You can't keep on punishing somebody because you have some political inclination. This is totally a political thing. If they are going to use politics as a particular line to injure somebody and frustrate somebody,